Yes, hello traders. So let me take you through the analysis on GBP AUD of the trade I took in the early morning. So this is the trade that I took in the early morning, and right now I'm in reds. I'm down like $300. So I went in full margin on this trade, anticipating to make 2,000. But if price comes to this place around here, I think the account will be gone, will be blown. Yeah, but according to the price action that I'm seeing right now, your price is just showing signs that it's going to keep on pushing down. You see, price is just showing signs that it's going to keep pushing down, but it is what it is. I did my analysis, so let me take you through how I came to take this buy trade. So you can see that on GBP AUD, price is in a downtrend. Price made a correction, another one and another one, and this is a sensitive resistance zone. So price, you see that on the 6-month time frame, that price with this candlestick, it pushed down, but price can't just move like that. It has to make retracements: higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, lower highs. So you can clearly see that price pushed down, and then here price is like approached the support zone. So I use this support zone as a confluencer for me, like you see. All right, so let me take you down through this. So you can see that here price yazinga yambuka wano, price nejja bweti ne retracinga ne mana nekomawo ne kolamu correction ne yambuka or ne sweeping liquidity. So price swept liquidity and it confirmed sells on the 6-month time frame. However, we are on the monthly time frame now, so you can see that even on the monthly time frame, price is showing that it is what? It's in a bearish trend. So how did I come to buy? So I marked this zone here on the weekly time frame. Na marking the zone, because you can see that price we hasn't touching wano, it became a support, right? So we has the one way, but ne touching omundi ogwokusatu, and price yadde zenge kirira price, and okiraba bulabi nti like here was the liquidity, this trend line liquidity that this pushed to the downside, swept off this liquidity, and even here, because the liquidity was here, you see. So price yamu sweepings, it swept liquidity, and price showed that it's buying, and then it sold. So which means that it swept another liquidity of this lower low, higher high, lower low. So this trade, it is very risky, but what made me to sell from here is because of this weekly candlestick. So when you look at this candlestick pattern, it's a reversal candlestick pattern. When you look at this and this, plus this support, plus this liquidity sweep, these are the reasons why I bought. And let me show you more. You see, even if you have all the confluencers confirming what all the bias you have towards the market, it doesn't mean that you're right. So you can clearly see that this is a what? It looks like a bullish flag. You can see it looks like a bullish flag. So honestly, price can just keep on moving down, or it can just keep on moving up. So for me, I think that price is going to keep on moving up. So I was targeting here. By the time price breaks out from this bullish flag, it will be my take profit. But you see, price is moving down. It's like going to take me out, but it is what it is. I entered knowing that trading is risky. So you can clearly see with your, okay, let me go to the 4-hour time frame. Let me put back to the what? So you can clearly see that here price formed the what? Price formed this like boom, it came correct, made a correction, it tapped here, which means it's a support now. Price moved up, and then price engeri gye badde ze wano nga like ndaba like because of price came back, tested here, which means it tested on the support zone. So price pushed up, correction, pushed up, and I was anticipating that if price makes a correction here, it will just keep on moving up at least to this or here, and then for me I get out. But it seems like I think I'm wrong. But let me see whether the decision that I made, because price can do anything it wants. It can just engulf and goes back. It can make a reversal candlestick pattern. It keeps on moving up, or it may just take me out. Yeah, that is possible. It may just take me out, form a double bottom, and then it keeps pushing up. It may come, because here it is liquidity settling down here. Even my stop loss is here, so price may come, take me out, and then it keeps, and then it buys again. So it is what it is. Price can do what it wants. So this is the saddest thing about trading. And what made me to buy from here, is because of this. Let me draw this zone here. You see, that's what made me buy from here, because price was testing here, boom, 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 breakout, retested. So I thought that price, when it retests from here, it's going to buy. But it seems like, according to the way how the candlesticks are forming, it seems that I'm wrong about the decision that I made. Even you see, this is it's a continuation chart pattern. Okay, sorry. When you look at this candlestick and this candlestick, it means that there is a high probability chance of today's candlestick to be bullish. Yeah, there is a high probability chance when you look at this candlestick and this one, because this one, it engulfed this one. And when you go back to the weekly time frame, you can see the same thing, that price has a high chance of keep pushing up. But according to what I saw in 4 hour, it is showing that I'm wrong about the decision that I made, because you see this candlestick, it has a very high volume, and you look at this, it may take me out. So whatever happens will happen. If I make a loss, it will be a loss. Yeah, because trading is like that, guys. Trading is not always sunshine, and things are hard. Though, you see how this candlestick is forming. It is forming like as if it's going to take me out. Because you look, I marked this candlestick here, because price was moving. This was the last break order block before the breakout of this high. This was the last order block. So I marked it. I put my buy limit order here. I was going to put my stop loss down here, but I said let me give it more room to breathe. But you look at what price is doing. Trading is hard. What makes it hard? Such scenarios. When you analyze, when you know strategy, things are well, things are good. But when it comes to this, things are tough. So I marked this candlestick here as my order block, and this was the liquidity here. This was the liquidity. So price took it out at the beginning of London session, and look what price is doing now. It's just consolidating from where I entered from. I'm into a drawdown, a massive drawdown. So it is what it is. Price can do what it wants. So it is just playing around where I entered from. But who knows anyway? Price can turn from here, then it heads up. Or price can come, sweep out this liquidity here. It comes back, and it continues to the upside. So it is what it is. Price can do what it wants. For me, I did my own analysis. So price will do what it wants. So on one account, I'm going to exit from here, and on another account, I think okay, it will depend on the price action. I may even hold it until here. So whatever happens will happen. Okay, yeah. So it is what it is. So that's where risk management kicks in. If you over risk, you deposit money that you're not willing to lose, that's where the heart attack comes from. So I'm okay. Even if I lose, I know it's going to hurt me because I've lost. A loss is a loss. But I deposited that money knowingly very well that trading is risky. So it is what it is. I'll be updating you. All right.